You mean it's working properly now?
That's correct. Your domain has been, so I've just verified the DNS record, and you see that button has gone now, right? And your domain has been successfully verified. So happyhealthstar.com has been successfully verified because we simply use the name servers to add them to your domain. Now let's go back to domains again. Right. Let's go back to domains. So you see this says verified. I'll just enable SSL here, right? So processing, right? So basically it was the problem was they were not forwarded to the HostGator servers, right? So the next thing that
about the other one, this one,
the Get More Cash Online, we're going to take care of this as well. But let's first also add this should be .us, right?
Yeah, no, .com.
.com. Okay. So we're going to let's just take care of this one as well. Let's go to your Godaddy. Where is your Godaddy?
That one.
Let's go to Godaddy. Okay. Okay, it's not controlled by, I don't see the Get More Cash Online here, where exactly the domain is.
Oh, Get More Cash Online is Get Response.
Okay, okay. I don't know where, basically, is it on HostGator?
Yeah, HostGator, yeah. In
So,
HostGator.
Go to HostGator. Go to domains. Okay, let's keep it simple. Okay, let's go to domains. Around domains. Okay, it's not appearing here as well. So maybe we can. I'm not sure. Like as long as it is on, as long as the domain is on GoDaddy, we can take care of it. So let's keep this one.
I don't know if I cancel that one.
Let's just finish. Let's just finish the process with one domain. Okay. So let's go to Mailing Boss, and the next thing that we have to do in order for the emails to go out is to go to the sender emails part, and let's click create new, and here what we're going to do is we're going to go to the emails part, webmail. We're going to go to webmail, right? And this says let's go to webmail. Let's go to your webmail. Scroll down, let's go to emails, and let's create a professional email. Email.
There.
Email accounts. And let's select happyhealthstar.com. Let's start in team. Do we have this email, team@happyhealthstar? Okay, there you go. Team@happyhealthstar.com is already there. So let's just copy this. Okay, copy this. So in this subject, what we are doing is, so let me put it this way. I'll just stop the recording here and create a new subject.